Sponsored by India is all set to celebrate the biggest political event of 2024, Lok Sabha elections set to begin from April 19 onwards. In the first phase of polling on Friday, citizens from a total of 102 constituencies across 21 states will exercise their adult franchise. During this phase, about 10 states and UTs will be covered fully, while 11 others will be partially covered. Among the major states going into polls in the first phase are Assam, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu and Uttarakhand. This time Lok Sabha polls will be held in 7 phases beginning from April 19 to June 1, while the results for the same will be announced on June 4. In the first phase of the most anticipated elections, which is set to be held across more than 1.2 million polling stations, nearly 970 million citizens are eligible to vote. The voting will commence at 8 a.m. and will conclude at 5 p.m., while an additional hour will also be provided as a buffer period for voters who are already present in the voting lines at the polling stations. Parliamentary polls this year will go on for 82 days, making it one of the most drawn-out elections in India's history. The primary reason for the same is the need to deploy security personnel and other necessary forces in the polling areas, many of which fall in the troubled zones like Manipur or India's Red Corridor, spanning the eastern, southern and central parts infamous for Naxalite activities. The dates for the Lok Sabha elections 2024 were announced by the Election Commission of India on March 16. The last time elections were held was in 2019, which witnessed the BJP cruising to victory comfortably, securing 303 seats and grabbing 37.36% of votes, the highest by any party since 1989. While in comparison, the Congress won merely 52 seats. Nonetheless, the BJP this time is aiming even higher, with PM Narendra Modi declaring its Lok Sabha slogan of Ab ki baar 400 par. Certainly, India stands as the globe's most populous democratic nation, boasting a populace of 1.4 billion individuals. This electoral season, with a staggering 968 million registered voters, anticipates an unprecedented scale of participation, surely to be observed with admiration by the globe.